bought this house in Currumbin Valley about 6 years ago. It's for a retirement home, so we're planning to live here for some time. We spent the first 12 months living through all of the seasons so that we could see what it was like thermally across the seasons. We froze to death in winter. Summer was okay because it's got good cross ventilation, but as climate change has kicked in and it's got a bit warmer and a bit more humid, things were getting a bit unbearable for more days in the summer. We did our upgrades to our house over a period of time, about 5 years. Just gradually doing it while we were still working, and we put on the maximum solar we could fit on the roof. We discovered when they were putting the solar on that there was no bulk insulation in the roof, so we hastily put some of that in. We filled a lot of gaps. When we renovated, we put in double glazed windows. We put in window coverings that are thermally efficient. And it's really made a big difference in terms of how comfortable the house is and how much it costs to run it. With the solar aware electric car charger, it's programmed to only charge the car when there's excess solar coming off the roof. We also have the 3 free hours of energy a day with our OVO electricity plan, so we also charge the car during that period. And then if we're going on a long trip and we really need to have the battery full, we've got cheap overnight rates from midnight till 5 a.m. It's 8 cents a kilowatt hour, so it really costs nothing to run our car. We just treat it like a mobile phone, plug it in when we get home to top up, and it runs on sunshine most of the time. Resiliency was one of our big drivers. Out in Currumbin Valley, our power goes out reasonably frequently. And over big storms, it can be out for days, which then means that you lose, $500 worth of refrigerated food. You don't have internet, you don't have water because we're on tanks, so the water pumps don't work. It's really important that we have resiliency. So we decided to max out our solar and put in batteries to make sure that we have the lights on when everything else is blacked out. If we were starting over again, we'd probably map it out a lot better rather than doing it piecemeal over years. But then again, technology wasn't available 5 years ago that it is now, so it was quite difficult to get everything working together like it does now. It's also a lot cheaper now than it was 5 years ago. So we're pretty happy with where we're at. But if anyone was starting from scratch, then they should definitely map out a plan of action.